What does it mean to be successful? What does it mean personally to you? As 2021 starts, perhaps we've taken it upon ourselves to make this year something better than the last. Hit new goals, try something new. Maybe stop doing something that is bad for us. Work out, spend more time with the family. The list goes on and on. What are we trying to accomplish? Who are we trying to impress? What is the main purpose for change? Why are we constantly looking at the bad and not remembering the good? Are we trying to get to the better future version of ourselves? As I was reading through a lot of my emails, direct messages, and comments, I noticed a trend. People quite often tell me that they have just started their journey in leathercraft and that they hope to become as successful as me one day. Like me. It's really humbling and flattering, but at the same time, it makes me think. What is it that makes them think they aren't already successful? What is the difference between me and a new crafter? What is success measured by? Can we be more successful than others? Yes, possibly. But what is success really? Success can be defined as the accomplishment of an aim or purpose. Perhaps for some it's having a lot of cash in the bank. For others it's having influence or maybe an endless list of accomplishments. Whatever your aim or purpose is, I think we often feel like we don't reach it, or if we do, it feels like it's only for a few seconds. We tend to compare ourselves with people who look successful, who flaunt it so openly and easily. It's almost as if they were born with it. I know I tend to think that sometimes, or a lot of the time. If only we were more successful, we'd be content. If only we had more followers, we'd be happy. If only we had more influence, our problems would go away. If only, if only, if only. Let's stop lying to ourselves. The whole idea of being successful isn't a bad thing. Who doesn't want to be successful? I think most of the time we put these impossible expectations on ourselves. Things that are way over our heads because we aren't satisfied where we are today. Let's pause. When it comes to our craft as leather crafters, I'd like to show you all that you are successful. You tried something new. Success. You went out of your comfort zone. Success. You took a chance on something. Success. You made something with your own hands. Success. You allowed yourself to become vulnerable by sharing your craft. Success. You made something for somebody as a gift. Success. You started your own part-time leathercraft business. Success. A complete stranger bought something from you. Success. You are enjoying what you are doing. Success. Look, you are already successful. You've come a long way. And even if you haven't made it as far as you hoped yet, look back at your success, smile, and keep moving forward. Success is what you make it. Don't make it something bigger than yourself. Don't compare it to others. We are all different, with different skills and different abilities. Let's look back at the success in our lives and be encouraged that we will grow as we continue our journeys. Don't be afraid to fail. If we don't fail, we aren't growing.